Welcome to the $1,000 Savings Challenge. Embarking on the $1,000 Savings Challenge is more than just a personal finance journey. It's an opportunity for self-discovery and empowerment. By setting aside a specific financial goal, you're actively taking control of your future and creating a sense of autonomy that can be truly liberating. This challenge is not just about amassing a sum of money. It's about cultivating discipline, resilience, and vision for your financial life. The $1,000 Savings Challenge forces us to confront our spending habits and question whether our purchases align with our values and long-term goals. It pushes us to look beyond the instant gratification of impulse buys and instead prioritize savings as a means to secure our financial stability. Through this challenge, we are redefining our relationship with money, learning to appreciate its value in achieving larger milestones such as homeownership, travel aspirations, or retirement security. The process encourages mindful spending while celebrating the satisfaction of watching those savings grow incrementally toward the ultimate target of $1,000. Setting the goal. Why 1,000? Setting a goal of saving $1,000 may seem arbitrary at first glance, but it is a powerful and achievable target for many individuals. This amount provides a tangible and manageable goal that can demonstrate the power of consistent saving habits. By aiming for $1,000, you're setting a realistic milestone that can serve as the foundation for future financial goals. Additionally, reaching the savings goal can offer peace of mind in knowing that you have built up a significant emergency fund or nest egg. Moreover, the $1,000 target helps to instill financial discipline and conscious spending habits. Choosing this specific amount encourages you to evaluate your expenses and prioritize needs over wants, a fundamental aspect of establishing long-term financial security. Moreover, it puts into perspective how small cutbacks and smart money management can lead to substantial savings over time. The overarching idea is not just about achieving the $1,000 milestone, but about learning valuable lessons on budgeting, discipline, and forward-thinking finances along the way. Tips for cutting expenses. When it comes to cutting expenses, one often overlooked area is subscription services. Take a close look at your monthly subscriptions, such as streaming services, meal delivery plans, or gym memberships. Assess which ones you can live without and cancel them to free up some extra cash. Another effective way to reduce expenses is by evaluating your grocery shopping habits. Consider buying store brands instead of name brands, planning meals around items that are on sale, and utilizing coupons and rewards programs. These small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Additionally, controlling energy costs can make a notable impact on your budget. Simple adjustments like using energy-efficient light bulbs, turning off lights and electronics when not in use, and properly insulating your home can result in lower utility bills. By being mindful of these everyday expenses, you can make substantial progress in reaching your $1,000 Savings Challenge goal. Hacks for increasing income. Looking to boost your income and achieve your financial goals? Here are some innovative hacks to help you increase your earnings. One effective strategy is to leverage your skills and hobbies by offering freelance services or creating a side business. Whether it's graphic design, writing, photography, or crafting, there's a market for almost every skill set. Another powerful hack is to explore passive income opportunities such as investing in stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or creating digital products like ebooks and online courses. By diversifying your income streams, you can steadily build up your earnings while minimizing the risk of relying solely on one source. Additionally, seeking out part-time work can be a game changer for boosting your monthly income. Look for flexible gigs that fit into your schedule, such as tutoring, pet sitting, or driving for ride-sharing services. Embracing the gig economy allows you to capitalize on the demand for various services while gaining a sense of autonomy over how you earn extra money. These hacks offer unique ways to generate additional income beyond traditional employment and can pave the way towards achieving financial freedom and stability. Creating a realistic timeline. Creating a realistic timeline for your $1,000 Savings Challenge is crucial for success and to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Start by breaking down your goal into smaller, achievable milestones. It's important to be honest with yourself and set a timeline that aligns with your income and expenses. Take into account unexpected expenses or changes in income and adjust your timeline accordingly. Be flexible, but also stay committed to the overall goal. Additionally, consider using visual aids such as a progress chart or savings tracker to keep yourself motivated and accountable. Celebrate each milestone achieved, no matter how small, to maintain positivity and momentum throughout the journey. Remember, creating a realistic timeline involves understanding your personal financial habits and making adjustments that are sustainable in the long term. By setting attainable targets with a well-planned timeline, you'll not only reach your $1,000 savings goal, but also develop valuable financial discipline along the way. Staying motivated and accountable is crucial when taking on a savings challenge like the $1,000 savings challenge. One effective way to stay motivated is by regularly visualizing your financial goals and the rewards that come with achieving them. Creating a vision board or setting reminders can serve as constant motivators, keeping your eyes on the prize even when times get tough. Another key strategy is finding an accountability partner or joining a community of like-minded individuals also participating in the challenge. Sharing your progress, setbacks, and success stories with others not only serves as a source of motivation, but also holds you accountable for sticking to your savings goals. This sense of accountability can provide the extra push needed to stay on track when temptation strikes. Remember, staying motivated and accountable isn't always easy, but it's incredibly rewarding when you see those savings grow steadily over time. In conclusion, achieving your $1,000 savings goal is not just about reaching a specific number in your bank account. It's about building financial discipline, developing healthy money habits, and gaining a sense of control over your finances. As you reach this milestone, take the time to reflect on the journey and celebrate your progress. Consider how you can continue to grow your savings further and set new goals for yourself. Moreover, reaching this $1,000 milestone can also serve as a launchpad for larger financial aspirations. Whether it's saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or investing in long-term goals, this achievement can empower you to dream bigger and work towards more significant milestones. Ultimately, the $1,000 savings challenge is just the beginning of a mindful and intentional approach to managing your finances that will serve you well into the future.